This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good evening and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone's had a great day. Ready for a great evening. Markets are a little bit discombobulated. Keys, give me a minute here. I gotta log into Tradovate. I was logged in on another account. Forgot that I needed to log back in. Ooh, excuse me. I hiccuping. Saw someone hitting the heart a minute ago. Not my heart. I mean the emoji heart there. Excuse me 1 second. Sorry about that. Okay, there we go. Okay. Only a few people here so far. Give me a minute. Just trying to. Somehow I forgot. Totally forgot I needed to adjust some things. There we go. Now let's see. Let me log in here. Yes, it will. Boop, boop, boop. Right there. Okay, now we're ready to rock and rumble. So let's look at the markets today. Today. We came down, we bounced up, and then we came back down. NQ really didn't bounce that much. It's actually finished at its low of the day. It's trying to bounce a little bit. Copper finished mid-range. Gold ended up finishing near its highs. Ultra bond finished near its highs. And crude oil finished near its lows. Bitcoin ran today big time. Highest it's been in a long time. It hit as high as 64,000. Let's pull back a tad. So let's get NQ ready to rock and rumble here. It's heading up a little bit there. Running into the 100 EMA. See if it can get through it. Let's see if we have any news reports coming out of any countries tonight. Australian retail sales coming out in about 25 minutes. Hey, G-Man. How goes it? Crude oil really hated its inventories today. That was the inventory candle. You see it came down, did try to come back up, but finished the day pretty downtrodden. Still above 78 though. Nice move up here. Fortunately, that candle was right as I was coming on and I wasn't logged in. So, next, we'll see if we get a next. Testing, okay. Want to make sure the mic was working. Oh, wow, big boost there. So from the bottom to the top, 865 up to 883, an 18-point move here, just big for Asia. ES is up 2 points on this candle. Russell's popping up, crude's still falling. Gold's coming up as well. So we're now up to 885, high of the evening. I mean, obviously, the evening's only been here for an hour or so. Possible resistance up around 920, so that's pretty clear sailing. Everybody's quiet tonight. A little bit of a dip there on NQ. Dip, 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 dip. So I was kind of watching and waiting. Choppy day today, or it was for a while at least. So maybe a choppy night tonight as well. My cat is saying hello. $8.85 has been the high of the move. Right now it's at $8.85. Does it want to continue higher? Can it take us higher? So far the answer is no. Wow, quiet place tonight. Hopefully Tio and Sid show up. Kim won't be here. She has a family thing. And G-Man said hello and disappeared. I think Crypticon said he'll be here too. We did go long off that engulfing candle. 2.5 point stop, not a big stop at all. It looks like it's going to come down and get us right away. Or maybe not. There we go. Now we'll get stopped. With a tick of slippage as well. How nice of it. So it didn't break through there off the engulfing candle. It looks like it wants to come down. You need to hit your live buttons. Getting a little error from YouTube saying it's not getting enough Video to maintain smooth streaming, so I'm not sure what's going on there. Hopefully that settles out. I don't see any swirling. Ooh, sorry, hit the mic again. Rejects off that 85, 86 level a couple times. Comes back down to 81. Y'all need to wake up. Huh. Definitely feel free to say hello in the chat. Excuse me. Clearing my throat. Only news of the evening coming up in 10 minutes. Little bounce. Nothing's really doing anything to write home about. There's another bounce there on NQ. Trying again. Trying to head back up. Came down. Does it want to break through that 85 level now? Looks like it wants to. Looks like it wants to. We'll reject off of it again. No, we're going to go long. Okay. I got in later than I wanted to. I wanted for the break of 86. I didn't get into, well, 87. Just want a couple points here. Hey, ETC. How's it going? Hey, go enjoy your chili. We're up tick. Bring this down. I don't think we're gonna get 10 out of this. Right there's the next support, I mean resistance, which is at 893. So we'll see if we get there. Let's pull them back a little bit now again. There we go. Hit 890. Taking it off there. Small win, 35 bucks. Good chance of reversal there. The folks, I guess, got smart, but we'll see. See where it goes from here. Anything else? Doing anything fun? All I wanna do is have some fun. I got a feeling I'm not the only one. Yeah, looks like it's still going up. So no, I wasn't smart to get out there. That's okay. Now it tries to pull back again. Russell's enjoying itself over there. Nice bounce there. Pushing up to 891. My original target was 893. See if it would have gotten there. Crude trying to hang on the 78 there. Pulls back just a tad again. Gold pushing down. Still trying to push up slowly. Slow. Very slow. 2 trades so far, 1 winner, 1 loser. Feel free to talk in the chat for anybody that might be here. I'm getting bored just saying, hey, we're at 892. We'll get up to 893. Hey, Panda. I actually have a video I'm going to be recording about that issue that will be going up tomorrow. We're going to be recording it tonight after the stream. I gotta think that trying to I mean, they're denying funded traders their money, then they're using a new rule and opposing it retroactively. As for the reasons, I mean, I could speculate that there could be a crunch there, but I don't want to speculate too much. I just know it's really it really sucks for their funded traders, and my advice is that nobody should use them anymore at all. I mean, I stopped promoting Lilu at least 6 months ago, maybe a year ago. I'm not even sure how long it's been, because the rules kept getting worse and worse. 30 days before you get a payout, and they started getting more and more complicated with those extra packages and all that. It just seemed like there was more and more going on. I don't think it's anything with regulators. Regulators would not support the idea of people not being given money that they're owed. No, it just literally started, Tio. I don't think regulators would be supporting the idea of not paying people what they're owed. Yeah, I mean, I have firsthand knowledge of one person, and I'm trying not to discuss too many details, and I won't even in the video, because I don't want to jeopardize anybody getting whatever money is being offered. So I'm trying to tiptoe around that. But yeah, basically they told this person. Okay, can you hear me, guys? Hey, Drawdown Studio, welcome to the stream. So they were told that their trades violated the consistency rule, but those trades took place back 5 months ago. So that is just terrible. There's no way a rule like that should be retroactive. And they also told them to be move to a different account in a couple of weeks. But people were losing tens of thousands of dollars, some of them. And yeah, oh yeah, it is utter BS. And you know, it's just yeah, exactly, exactly. I mean, to say that you could just put a retroactive rule in place. By the way, this would have hit my original profit target if I hadn't jumped out. Yeah, I mean, most likely, if someone wanted to fight that legally, they probably could. I've never read a legal contract, so I can't say that. I don't know whether or not one of those we can change the terms at any time type of thing protects them in that case or whatever. I have no idea. I don't know the law well enough. Yeah, it's like I said, I do think people probably would have legal recourse. That said, any the, I don't like the idea this is going to draw attention to the industry in a negative way. So that's a little bit worrisome as well. Well, Lilu never puts people live. Every other firm besides Lilu and Tick Tick Trader puts people eventually live if they're good enough. But so I don't know. I mean, I'm not sure what they were doing. Hey, Captain Price. I don't know. I mean, I know that the person that the person that I have firsthand knowledge of, I know he wasn't doing anything to game the system. All right. Good luck on that, Captain Price. I mean, the thing is, Panda. I mean, I don't know. I don't think this is anything. I have a feeling that this is something that was slowly being led up to. We're heading toward 900 here on NQ, just because, like I said, they've been making more and more rules. Like 30 days, 30 trading days to get paid and stuff like that. They've been getting worse and worse. Like I said, I stopped promoting them. I don't know, somewhere between 6 months and a year ago. It just didn't seem worth it to me. Yeah, I would definitely get out as soon as you can, Panda. And there's at least 11 better prop firms than Lilu in the future space. Yeah, I mean, I had TradingView with Tradovate. I chart off TradingView with you. I mean, the right now, I mean, I'm on the Blue Sky account with Tradovate and TradingView. You're seeing my TradingView charts. And they probably do grain fed TO. I want grass fed, grass finished. There's 900, 901. So you can see, I remember earlier I said, hold on 1 second. I said next, let me blow up that chart. Hold on 1 second. So I wish I had held, first of all, but I said right here could be our next resistance area, and we could go up to 920. And we were at 880 when I said that. I wish I had listened to myself. Yeah, I have the Lux Algo RSI, the ultimate RSI down at the bottom of the screen. They have some good indicators. ES is also up about 5.5 points here over the last 10 minutes. No, that's a 30-minute. What is the second time today I've had a 30-minute candle, a 30-minute chart up? Either way, it's up over the last hour or so. So yeah, I mean, the video I'm putting out will talk a little bit about the situation, but mainly it's just to warn people to stay away. At this point, like I said, there's 11 better, at least 11 better futures prop firms, and it's just no one else should be buying evals there, and the people that have evals there, people that have funded accounts there, should be looking to exit as quickly as possible. Especially while there's 80% sales still going on Apex and Bulenox. If Lulu is the only place you're doing business with right now, get in on one of the cheap evals, or Blue Sky's having a great sale. There's lots of good options. Uh, TickTick's doing they have a 3 account bundle right now. Pull back and continue to head up here. TickTick has a 3 account bundle. TickTick Trader. That sale's ending soon though. I saw an email somewhere here. 75% discount on our 3-account bundles at TickTickTrader. Yeah, so it's hold on, it's loading. I don't want to keep watching NQ go up and realizing I missed it anyway. Yeah, it's 3 50K accounts for 125 bucks, or 3 25K accounts for 99 bucks, or 300K accounts for $199. Yes, they now allow 3. Yeah, and they now allow copy trading. Hello, F. Welcome. Another new name or letter. As I watch NQs continue to grow up and make me cry. Yeah, BTC is wild, pulling back a little bit now. Came within a buck. Uh, yeah, came within $1 of hitting 64. Oh no, that's right. I did hit 64.1 today. Hey, fast 360. Yeah, that's the big problem with Tick Tick is the daily loss limit. Bit of a pullback here. So we got up to 905, pulled back to 901. It fails you though, doesn't just lock you out, Panda. Hey, Crypticon, how's it going? So we're about 10 minutes away from the top of the hour. Like what weird stuffs? Honestly, I could see Lilu going away, but I'm not speculating that, and I don't want anyone to panic. But yeah, A nice pullback here. I mean, I, I, I'm sure I've probably said it even months ago. I mean, I never wanted to put but I don't know if I said it on stream or if I've said it on the Discord and text or whatever. I said if any of the firms are gonna end up going under, it would be Lilu is the one I would expect to do that, and that was months ago. I said that. So to me, what's happening isn't a surprise, but I was never because I don't have any insight knowledge of anything at at that point. I was never gonna like say that in a wide range to a lot of people and try and make like a panic about it. But yeah, I mean that's why I stopped promoting them, and like I still included them on the prop comparison sheet only because I knew other people were using them. But I just felt like Lilu was the one that was the most uh, you know teetering on the brink. Yeah, Rhythmic had issues Monday and today, Captain Price. Monday, I think it was just Apex, and today it was like everybody. Uh, Crypt, maybe they reset you back to the starting point for some reason. Well, it's the reason Apex exists because they kicked out Daryl Martin. Apex paid him out and told him he wasn't welcome there anymore because was making too much money. So he started Apex Trader Funding. Yeah, Liu is like number three of or 3 or 4. I think it goes Topstep, one up, earn the trade, and then Lilu. I don't know that for sure, but yeah, just think if Lilu had never kicked out Daryl Martin, Apex Trader Funding might never have existed, and this industry would probably look a lot different. And it was Lilu that started this insane price war stuff. They did like a $3 account once, shortly after Apex launched. And that's when these same discounts and price wars really started. It was Lilu that started it. And then Apex started doing the 80%, the 70%, the 80%, and then even the 90%. And for a while, Lilu was trying to keep up. Matter of fact, they would even do price matches, kind of like the way Bulenox does now. But all that went away, and now Lilu is like one of the most expensive. So you can't trade it, Crypticon? Well, the thing is, Lilu was in the top five when there was only five. They weren't. I mean, they were just one of the first. They were one of the first, and they were like the first sim only that had no path to an actual live account. So it's not like they were a top five and they fell from grace. They just as more and more new firms launched, they got shuffled to the bottom. Okay, Crypt. It may be something with the rhythmic situation. Breathe. Send in a support ticket, but know that since they're working on the whole rhythmic situation today, that it's going to take a while to get to you. Apex usually makes things right. They do very good at that. Yeah, gold is coming down nicely. Okay, well, Russell just all green over there. But just breathe, Crip. Just because you miss one day doesn't. The market's always here. There's always going to be another trade around the corner. Do not let this get you on tilt. Just breathe and yeah. Is your PA account okay? Okay. Hanging right around 17,900. All right, Crypt. Yeah. Second. I mean, and like I said, this is the second day this week. Rhythmic had been doing pretty well. You hadn't heard a lot about rhythmic issues in a while, and now this week it's just like bad all of a sudden again. Whoa! Look at crude blowing up there at the top of the hour. NQ popping down, but wow, crude just popped up 12, 13 ticks. Gold bouncing a little bit. Crypt, it don't. Let's just see what happens once they get everything fixed up. Apex said they're probably gonna be working until tomorrow to try and get everything back in order. So maybe it's just something with that. You said you were having issues this morning. Were you trading that account when the issues were happening? That's weird, really, Panda. Yeah, don't worry too much about it, Crystal. They'll probably fix you up. Ooh, big burst down on NQ. Yeah, for a while, Tradovate was having more issues than Rhythmic. It should all be on the same, but I'm not really sure. As long as I mean, it's not going to hurt the industry as long as it doesn't totally blow up. How much are you in on Lilu Panda? Like, I mean, do you have funded accounts or? All right, guys, if you're enjoying the stream tonight, love if you gore that like button for me. Let YouTube know you're enjoying the stream. Appreciate it. I mean, oh yeah, okay, crude heading up now, 25 ticks. Yeah, and that sucks, Panda. But honestly, I mean, obviously, it's just me, and I don't know anything. But if it were me, I would just get out now, cut bait, because they're, if you get to a certain level, they're gonna find. I don't want to say good chance. There's a chance that they're gonna find a reason that they shouldn't pay you, or they're gonna want to pay you less than what you've earned. No, I believe that, Tio. I know uh, Tradovate has issues when there's huge sales. But yeah, I mean, I realize the time invested into those accounts is a lot, but I'm just really scared that you're gonna end up investing more time and not getting what you should out of it, or not getting anything out of it. And I don't want to see that happen to anybody. But again, I can't say for sure. Lilu did tell the person I know that there's some new account coming that they're willing to place them in. I don't know if maybe they've, I don't know. But it just seems like no matter what, there's a lot of hoops to jump through. Even if everything is stable with Lilu, there's now a lot of hoops to jump through to get your payouts. Yeah, Rhythmic's okay now. It's just they need to fix up the account script. No, I think Lilu needs the money from new traders to. Remember, they don't put anybody live, so and maybe they're copy trading, maybe they're not, but I don't know. Hey, John, how are you doing? For those of you that might be newer to my channel or don't pay too much attention to me, I do post a daily video going through all the different discounts that are currently active on the prop firms. So if anyone's looking for new prop firm or whatever, if you're in deep on Lilu and don't want to trust them, whatever, you can check those videos out each day, and it'll tell you I follow 10, and I'm probably adding tick tick in, so it's going to be 11 of the props. Okay, glad to hear that, John. Eh, coming down. By the way, if I didn't say it, Crypticon, great job, Crypticon. Nice. Feeling more positive about that algo now, John? Back down to 93 here. You see it whip down to 92, back up a little bit, and then coming back down. Also, yeah, I mean, or you could try 3 contracts, John. A little bit more risky, but a reminder, folks, I am giving away one of those new Blue Sky Static Growth Plus accounts. The drawing is tomorrow, so you just have tonight yet to enter. If you haven't entered, you should do so. I'll even give you the link as soon as I find it. Oh, it's here sitting right in front of me. That'll be announced tomorrow morning stream at 10:30 Eastern. Still coming down. Yep, came down, bounced right back up. Looks like it stopped right out on this one. Let's see. Tight stop because these really aren't big candles. At least Lilo gave us something to talk about tonight. Let's give him something to talk about. Yes. Okay, so John, what about what's the math on 3 contracts? Could you safely try to accelerate things? It wasn't profit for like all of 2.5 seconds. Oh, there we go. Back down to my entry. And if you're still here, my unsolicited advice would be, obviously if you want to stick with Lilu, but maybe start building up another company's account. uh, Bulenox or Apex or Blue Sky or Topstep or whatever. That way, you're building something else in case Lulu does crap to bed. There we go. I'll be posting a video about it. Hurts tomorrow, but basically Lulu is closing out a whole bunch of funded traders and screwing them over for a lot of money. Oh, okay. Okay, I wasn't sure, Panda. Good. I just didn't want to see you be, that being your only thing, and then really screwing you. Oh, wow. Yeah, I can understand. Have you taken payouts with them in the past? Uh, Hertz funded traders have gotten word that their new consistency rule is being um, put in place retroactively. People are being told they're being denied payouts, and their funded accounts are being closed because of trades from months ago that make them violate their new 30% consistency rule. And some people are losing tens of thousands of dollars based on that. They're paying them out like 10 to 20% of what's actually owed. So I jumped out of that trade. It's kind of coming back up. Got like $10. 15. I know of about a dozen people who have gotten phone calls from Leo, not just emails, but phone calls. Some were just emails, I guess, and some were emails and phone calls telling them that their accounts are being closed and they're paying them out X amount. Some people, I guess, have negotiated higher amounts than what was offered, but still a lot less than what they're actually owed or what they actually had in their accounts. Glad I got out when I did there on that short. May still come back down, but that was a spike up that would have probably stopped me out. Well, the thing is, though, Panda, they did pay out Daryl everything they owe. Now, supposedly Daryl did threaten legal action, and they probably realized that Daryl had the means to follow through with that. But you know, they paid out Daryl 100% when they kicked him to the curb. Yes, it really hurts. Someone was told that their trades from last September violate the new consistency rule. Wow, I really did get at it at the right time. Well, I didn't get at the right time there, but still. Nice burst back up here. Right, absolutely, I agree. I mean, they can end a relationship. I mean, my guess is every prop has probably ended a relationship at one point because of something or another, other than, a normal rule break. And that's fine. But putting in rules that go, how is someone supposed to know they're going to violate a consistency rule that hasn't existed yet? Yeah, Panda, I, they do want some profitable traders. If no one ever talks about their payouts and whatnot, they can't brag on those people. They just I don't know that they want people to fail. I think they just know that the way trading is, the way people's minds work, whatever, that 80 to 90% of people are going to fail. So I think they just they play off of that, and they don't have to want people to fail. They just know that the percentages are in their favor. Even when I promote it, Lilu, when I have an affiliate account with them. Oh, hello, Armando. I'm sorry, I did not try to ignore you. I just noticed your message. I apologize for missing you. Welcome to the stream, and thank you very much. I appreciate your kind words. Yeah, but even when I promoted Lilu, got zero. Well, I mean, I got like one or two sales. They were being blown away by Apex and uh, Bulenox and all those back then already. I mean, honestly, Panda, you've probably already heard everything I'm gonna say in that video. Because I'm not gonna speculate on why. Partially because I don't want to be sued if I say something that isn't true, or I even if I'm just saying it's my opinion. It's like I'm trying to balance things there. So everybody here has probably already heard, but I appreciate if you still watch the video so I can get views on it. Dip down, now coming back up. I don't have a script for the video. I'm just gonna do it ad libitum. Not even sure I used the right term there, but it sounded smart. I do like the thumbnail I made for the video. See, I considered doing the video yesterday because I heard about this yesterday. I was going to do it last night, and I was kind of debating whether I wanted to or not, because my worry is that any bad press and they're gonna like take away the offers that they've made these people and all that. So I don't want to jeopardize people's money, but at this point, I think the warning needs to go out. It's becoming more widespread that the knowledge of it. And if I don't do the video, somebody's going to. Yeah, I heard about that. Must be something to get a call from Daryl Martin himself. Yeah, eventually, eventually regulation's going to come in of some sort. I don't know what that exactly that'll look like, but eventually it's going to happen. I'm hoping it's not too soon, but eventually it will. Well, I mean, I'm going to. Here's the thing, guys. You know, your safest bet is to be with a firm that has a clear or somewhat clear path to a live brokerage account. Topstep, Blue Sky, Earn to Trade, One Up. I think even Take Profit Trader, Trade Day. Those are going to be, when if regulation comes in, they're the ones that are going to be safer than Apex, Bulenox, ETF, Tick Tick. Not saying any of them aren't safe right now. They're all fine. But the ones that have clear paths and a brokerage, because once you're on the live brokerage account, there's no need for all the silly consistency rules, which is why you don't see a consistency rule on Earn to Trade's live funded. You don't see one on Blue Sky. You don't see one on Top Step. These companies don't need to regulate people's earnings. Um, Panda, a hit I'm not worried about. A loss, if legal action, maybe. Yeah, I agree. Top Step would be safest. Top Step, Earn a Trade, Blue Sky, Trade Day, Take Profit Trader. Now, Apex does put some people on a live account. CFTs on a live account. Um, a couple other people went on live accounts. So, but they don't have any exact criteria. Let's see if I forgot any. Give me one sec. Let me look at my list. If I didn't say one up has a live account. My funded futures, they have a live account. They're a case by case basis. They don't have a specific criteria. But my guess is if things started looking like regulations come in, they would easily go to some sort of criteria. You profit, I have no idea. I have no idea if they have a live account or not. No, everything I just listed is all futures. I don't promote any forex. Crypticon, check your Apex account. They're saying that any issues were fixed. Okay, so Pandas, so you're aware. Well, hold on. I might want to take this trade, and then I'll show you a couple things. If I had a financial backer, I might be willing to do that, Crypt, but I don't have the money to start a company. And I'm not sure I could compete with what's already out there. Okay, so we're long here on this blue candle. Let me just set up my stops here, and then I want to show you guys something that might be unaware of some of the services I offer. Put it that way. It's coming right back down. Watch this. My stop is let's do a 3-point stop. So if you look over on my Discord, and I'll bring up the Discord here. This is my Discord. On here, I have, this is updated daily, the prop firm discount snapshot list of the 9 or 10 that I promote with all current deals. These are all futures firms. You see the graphic and you see the the links and the codes for any sales that are going. I also put this on social media each day, and then I also do price firm the comparisons. This shows the price of each firm's by eval cost, and then by total cost once you put in the funded setup fees. And I update these whenever there's a new sale or whenever a sale ends. And I do that for the 50K, the 100K, and the 150K. I also every day, and I just got stopped out on that trade. Every day, I post a video of the futures prop firm discount snapshot. It goes up usually 5 or 6 minutes. I post it at 7 a.m. Eastern time, and it lists all of their deals, the ones that just started, the ones that are ending, and then all other deals of all the futures prop firms that I follow. You need the link for the Discord? Hold on. I plan on doing more with that type of thing, comparison of commissions and things like that as well. Give me 1 second. There is the Discord link for anyone that wishes to join. I will be doing reviews of all the prop firms, hopefully during the month of March. I need to get an exact template I want to use, how I want to do it. But that's another thing. That's the next thing I plan on doing. Oops, what did I do? Oh, that's what I did. There we go. Yes, they're all affiliate links. Thank you, thank you. And I also list on in the bottom of every video description. So down below, you'll also see all the various sales and affiliate links down there as well. Thank you, thank you. But yeah, Apex and Bulenox each have 80% sales, while Bulenox is 83%, and Blue Sky has a great deal right now. And of course, Topstep always has a great deal going. So down $87 on the evening. I have about 25 minutes to go on the stream. Well, thank everyone for being here tonight. I was worried, like hardly anyone talked for the first half hour. I thought it was gonna have a boring stream that I was gonna have trouble staying awake. Yeah, I saw that. Virgil from WWF WWE fame also passed away. T.O. Sid didn't join us again tonight. He must be out chasing pigs again. So for those of you that are new, um, we stream 2 nights a week, Mondays and Wednesdays, 7 to 9 Eastern, and every morning, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern. 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, I remember that too, Crypticon. Yeah, he was on for a little bit this morning, John. Yeah, he got 5 pigs. He was having turkeys arrive today, so that might be keeping him busy. I do too. I mean, I think they have a plan in place because, like I said, the guy I know, they told him in 1 to 2 weeks they'll offer him some sort of new type of account. So I don't know. I have a feeling whatever it is not going to be favorable for traders. And right now, you know, my advice is going to be to stay away. Stay away. I agree. I agree. They seem to be making things up as they go along. Gotten choppy. Choppy. Very choppy. Yep, they're gonna have to sell more beef. They are ranchers. Nice move back above 900 here. Yeah, I don't, when I had them on those sheets that I showed you, I didn't even update those for the 4 hour sales because, I mean, I'm not going to like post new sheets for 4 hours. I want to say they did at one point. I don't know if it's still there. Honestly, their website confuses me like crazy. This is another reason I stopped promoting them because they confuse me. I know TickTick has a direct to funding account. I'm pretty sure Liwu was the other one that offered that. I think the most the funniest thing that the CEO said when they announced the consistency rule was that he said people asked for the consistency rule. He said traders were asking for a consistency rule. What trader is going to ask for a consistency rule? Yep, I am. Yeah, I mean, I don't think they're going under. I mean, here's the thing. If I thought they were going under, then they probably wouldn't be making deals to pay out people X amount. They would just declare bankruptcy or whatever and or whatever their exit strategy would be. I don't think they would be figuring out how to, negotiating or saying we're going to give you X amount and all that. So I don't think they're like in imminent danger of going under. But I wouldn't trust them anymore. Put it that way. Even if even if they opened their books right now and showed me they were totally stable, I still wouldn't trust them because of what they're pulling now. Yeah, I mean, the trust is gone. what rule are they going to come up with next to not pay people or to pay people less than what they're owed? It seems like they're continuing to make it harder and harder to get paid. Because first it was the 30 days. 30 days is the longest of any of the prop firms. You have to trade for 30 days before you can take out a payout. Longest of any of the prop firms, futures prop firms. And then that now the consistency rule, and then making the consistency rule retroactive, and what's going to be next? Yeah, the best payout rules in futures belong to Blue Sky and Earn to Trade and Trade Day, with Topstep right there, right behind them. The Topstep's a little tricky. Topstep, in order to withdraw, you need 5 days of $200 in profit. They don't have to be consecutive, and then you can withdraw 50%. But if you do that, your drawdown immediately goes to your starting balance, so you might end up with very little drawdown left. Right. I mean, I agree. But like Earn a Trade, you can withdraw off your live sim day day one, $100 minimum. Blue Sky, you can't withdraw in the live sim, but as soon as you're put on the brokerage account, you can withdraw every day if you want. Uh, Trade Day, you can also withdraw day one. They don't like that if you do that. You'll get reminded that you shouldn't do that because it's a lot more likely to blow the account, but they'll let you do it. Gold pulling back here, NQ maybe trying to pull back again. Yep, I agree. And with like Blue Sky, once you're on the brokerage, you never have to worry about that. They're in the trade, never have to worry about it. Topstep, you don't have to worry about it. Yep, that's why I say, even before any of this started happening with Lilo over the last few days, I said there's 11 better futures prop firms to choose from. Can it burst through the CMA here? Or am I gonna regret not taking profit there? I'm funded with Apex. I'm gonna regret not taking profit there. No, not yet. Uh, the account's slightly red. Honestly, I haven't been putting much focus into it, and I know that sounds weird, but I want a second funded account. I am a very too cautious of a trader, so I think if I have two funded accounts, I'll be less worried about blowing one, so I'll trade with a little bit more, whatever, a little bit more looser. Taking it off there because it's hitting the band, hitting that EMA. So it's a 2 point trade, $40. Well, if you want to dive into the others, I Top Step's the same price all the time. And also, Panda, tomorrow Top Step will be doing on Top Step TV one of their fire drills where 1,000 people will get chosen to get their Top Step X accounts for $4.50. Um, but also, the Apex and Bulenox sales, they go until Monday. I don't know. I'm waiting to get one. For some reason, yeah, Top Step's giving me one, but they can't add it to my account. There's some sort of technical issue. They've been trying for 2 days, so at some point in time, I'm gonna get Top Step X. I mean, I'll trade it on stream when I get it, so people can see it. Right. I mean, no matter what platform I use, I chart and decide to take my trades by what I'm seeing on TradingView Because even now, when I'm taking my trades, I'm not trading off a TradingView. I'm trading off the actual Tradovate platform that you don't see on screen. It's on my other monitor, and I just chart and move my stuff on TradingView. But I'll do that with Topstep X as well. But it doesn't integrate with TradingView, so I can't like move my stops and targets. But I can't stand trying to chart on any other platform. I mean, I think Topstep X is just going to get better over time. I think Topstep's going to do right by it. But yeah. So it did pop back up. It bounced off that EMA. See if it comes back down. So again, guys, thanks for the great conversation. I thought it was going to be dead with no Kim and no Sid and all that, but great conversation. Have a good one, John. Talk to you tomorrow. Now, if you have any questions about anything along the way, Panda, I'll be happy to help out. Excellent. We have a lot of fun in the Discord. We talk trading, but we also talk other stuff. You it's a great community here, both on YouTube and in the Discord. Hello, Alaire, Sanya. Let me know if I pronounced that wrong. Have I tried Take Profit Trader? I have not, but um, from everything I've seen and I've heard Canadian Futures Trader talk about, it's a good firm. The only drawback to that or I shouldn't say only, but the biggest drawback is that once you get put onto the live account, not the live sim, but the live account, the drawdown goes from end of day to intraday trailing. It's kind of weird, but Earn to Trade does that too. But it's one of the ones I promote and I do recommend. They seem like a good company. One day I will try them all. My goal is to eventually at least try every prop firm. And the of the big 13, the only ones I haven't tried yet is Take Profit Trader and Trade Day and You Profit, I think, is the three I haven't done yet. Let's see. Topstep, Bulenox, Apex, yeah. I just finally got my first Bulenox account a couple days ago. You're very welcome. Any other questions? I'll be happy to answer anytime. Quick burst up there. Top of the hour. That was a sudden burst there. I have to remember. I can't remember which Asia markets opened when. I think this was Singapore that opened. But we have reached the top of the hour, and that means I am done for the night. I want to thank everyone for joining me tonight. I want to thank everyone for being so chatty. I hate slow, boring streams when no one's chatting, so tonight was awesome. Hope everyone has a great rest of your night, and we'll be back tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, for our next stream. See you then. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.